With the rapid development of the society and economy, wide pollution is seriously affecting our life space. At the same time, the shortage of original resources and the comprehensive recycling of renewable resources have become a problem and challenge that human beings must face. The State Council has given the instruction about building eco-friendly enterprises, pays attention to comprehensive treatment of environmental pollutions, and sticks to the development of the recycling economy. In the coastal area of East China lies a vibrant land, Suqian. It is an ancient city of more than 1,000 years. It has bred many excellent enterprises. Among them, there is an environmental protection giant, Jiangsu Xuefeng Environmental Protection Science and Technology Company Limited. With profound knowledge about environmental protection and strategic insight, Xuefeng has developed a complex comprehensive treatment equipment for treating hybrid wastes. It does not adopt the direct landfill method prevailing in China. Direct landfill will produce a large amount of waste seepage. The seepage, after permeating from the surface to the underground, will seriously pollute underground water sources, destroy the surroundings, and affect the life of nearby residents. It has no economic benefit. Incineration power generation. Incineration will produce a large amount of poisonous gas called dioxin. It has strong carcinogenicity and can cause secondary pollution to the atmospheric environment. The waste residues produced by incineration have to undergo secondary landfill. The equipment for treating hybrid waste developed by Xuefeng has creatively changed the world's rule of treating wastes. Therefore, the new industrial standards of no landfill, no incineration, no waste gas, no waste water, and no waste residues have been reached. Xuefeng has passed the certifications of ISO 14001 and OSAS 18001 Occupation, Health and Safety Management System smoothly. The company has won the title of 3A Enterprise of Quality, Service and Integrity of Jiangsu Province. Products such as comprehensive treatment equipment to make wastes innocuous, methane collection and power generation system, biological waste treatment equipment, waste fermentation cabin system, and waste sorting system independently developed by company, have won national patents and 5-star authentication certificates of technical after-sales, and certificate on assessment of scientific and technological achievements issued by ZKHC Beijing Scientific and Technological Achievement Assessment Center. Academician Yang Jifeng of the Chinese Academy of Engineering has led a group to the spot for appraisal. Xuefeng's comprehensive waste treatment technology is mainly composed of 7 systems: pre-treatment system, waste fermentation system, leachate collection and treatment system, methane recovery and power generation system, comprehensive waste sorting system, deprocessing system, and distributed control system. Pre-treatment system. Every day, the local sanitation departments will collect domestic wastes from urban communities, weigh them, and send them to the waste pre-treatment system. The so-called waste pre-treatment means crushing the original domestic wastes. Then through pulverization, deodorization, and sterilization, remove unpleasant odors from the plant areas. After that, the crushed wastes will be sent to the fermentation cabin. Waste fermentation system. Seal the wastes in the fermentation cabin for 7 to 15 days. Spray EM, biological bacteria, on a regular basis for anaerobic fermentation to make the wastes degrade and become small. After the anaerobic fermentation, start the ventilating device to supply oxygen for aerobic fermentation in the fermentation cabin, so that the wastes become dry and bulk for subsequent separation. In order to shorten the waste fermentation time, we have upgraded the fermentation cabin to a sealed fermentation tank. The fermentation time is 3 to 5 days. Methane recovery and power generation system. When treated in the fermentation cabin, the wastes will produce an enormous amount of degraded organic material such as methane. Through desulfurization, dehydration, and purification, The methane can be used for power generation. The heat produced can be used for heating or bathing. Leachate treatment system. The leachate produced by new wastes when being crushed in after entering the fermentation cabin will be conveyed through an underground collecting pipeline to the underground leachate collecting tank. The leachate, after being treated with absorbing, spraying, and no-exchange membrane technology and biological bacteria technology, can reach the standard of level 1 drinking water or level 2 or 3 discharging water. Most treated leachate water can be used for back ejection of fermentation cabins, watering of green vegetations in plant areas, cleaning of plant area floors, and cleaning of garbage trucks. Sorting and treatment system. After the fermentation, the decayed domestic wastes will be conveyed from fermentation cabin to the uniform feeder. The domestic wastes will flow steadily to the major equipment. By technical parameters such as wind force, gravity, magnetism, shape, and velocity, domestic wastes can be separated into 4 categories: construction wastes, waste plastics, organic nutrient soils, and waste metals, and can be further separated into dozens of subcategories. The sorting effect can reach 99.5%. The sorted waste plastics, including belts and soft, hard rubber shoes and clothes, can be processed into renewable particles: wood plastic plates, wood plastic trays, plastic dustbins, wood plastic benches, advanced aluminum plastic door and window profiles, etc. The sorted organic nutrient soils and fermented wastes can be directly used for afforestation, landscaping, desertification combating, soil improvement, etc. The organic nutrient soil sorted by batch after being added with microelements and element additives can be made into nitrogenous fertilizer and organic and inorganic ecological fertilizer for agricultural production. They can stimulate the development economy and increase the economic benefits of rural products. The organic nutrient soils obtained from biological, physical, and chemical treatment of old wastes can only be used for afforestation, soil improvement, desertification combating, creating farmlands, etc. The construction wastes containing hard materials such as broken bricks, gobbets, concrete blocks, broken glass, and ceramic chips, after being crushed, can be made into hollow bricks, pavement bricks, water-permeable bricks, blind track bricks, or other bricks for pavements. The sorted waste metals, batteries, and electronic components will be intensively placed in a sealed box and sent to the Hazardous Waste Center for further treatment. DCS is the so-called Distributed Control System. The functional interface of the system can intensively display the methane content, temperature, moisture, and carbon dioxide content within the sealed fermentation cabin. It has functions such as spraying EM bacteria, setting ventilation, and starting the comprehensive waste sorting equipment. It can fully supervise, control, and maintain the spot and realize the intelligent digital control. It can improve the operation reliability and stability of various equipment, systems, and network nodes. It can collect data in real-time manner, execute control, and make video transmission about the plant area environments. It can be seen that domestic wastes are renewable resources and an urban treasure that will never be depleted. Jiangsu Xuefeng Environmental Protection Science and Technology Company Limited is a new benchmark to lead the environmental protection industry. Technology changes our life, while Xuefeng changes our living environment.